when they migrate away from here.
And where do they go?
So it varies. We've had one go all the way down to the Everglades. So they go anywhere from like Georgia, South Carolina, all the way down to southern Florida. And so they just go where it's warm during the winter.
We have 4 in California. Yeah, but they usually stay there. I don't know if they're on their way back somewhere. Look. They're right on it.
So as you can see, they're very, very. If you look on the fence over here, there's a brown one. That is actually a juvenile, so he's only about 1 to 2 years old. In a couple years, he'll start looking like his other ones here, so you can't really tell the difference between male and females. There's no big apparent difference like there is in, like, say, peafowl, where you've got the male and you've got the female, and they're obvious.
And then when they have the plume on their head, it means they're ready to breed.
I'm not actually sure. I know that both males and females have the plume. I'm not sure if it's something that they develop during breeding season or if it's something they have year-round, but it is a modified feather. And I'm not actually 100% sure what it's for. It's just decoration. Because they don't have a dance or anything like that that they moving around when they do it.
Look, they're fighting over the one piece. Look. Look, here comes one in. Look, look, look. That guy just came this